Imagine turning ocean water into drinking water using something as common as old tires. What? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Researchers at Dalhousie University have developed an innovative solution to tackle global water scarcity. It is a portable solar desalination device that turns ocean water into clean drinking water using, wait for it, old tires. This floating solar contraption still harnesses the power of the sun to evaporate seawater, leaving salt behind. The process is simple. Ocean water is drawn up into a special foam surface, heated by sunlight, and then recondenses into fresh water. By using pyrolytic char from used tires, they've created a high-performing material without relying on expensive metals. This means that clean water can be produced for less than a penny per quart. How cool is that? For more crazy cool tech like this, head to cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, click that red button after you open a new browser and go to cyberguy.com. It's free.